Wait. Raf.
Hey, Rod.
Lag. Yo,
Rod.
wait. There's an island called Rafoon Lagoon.
What?
There's an island with the word goon in it, Rod. There's an island called Rafoon Lagoon.
Let's go there.
Timmy, we are
headed.
Timmy, that's the island over here. It's the goon island.
Island.
It's my goon cave.
You guys, it's island.
It's an island. Everyone, the island. It's an island. Guys, we found that island.
Nice.
I don't really know. You can check that out. It's probably Ed's crib, but I don't really care.
What is that?
Con nosotros nada de nada.